12:26 here on this Tuesday, and it's not quite summer yet, but it's almost summer, and it's going to be heating up before summer starts this Friday. So plenty of hot temperatures around. I don't think we'll be seeing much of a cool down anytime soon. Highs generally near 100, plus or minus a couple degrees in many areas. Of course, a little cooler near the coast, but a lot of places heating up the next few days and staying hot all the way through the weekend and into early next week. There are just some very small rain chances that return by about Sunday and Monday. Right now, it's mainly in the 90s. We're at 91 in Harlingen, 88 in Port Isabel, though 93 in Brownsville, 93 in Rio Grande City. And temperatures likely back up in the upper 90s to near 100 today. The hottest numbers over western Hidalgo and Starr County, where it could touch 100, especially over Starr County, mainly in the mid to upper 90s over the lower parts of the valley. But with that lovely humidity, it already feels hot. Already feels like 107 in Rio Grande City, 110 the apparent temperature in Brownsville, 105 in Weslaco. Remember, this is calculated for if you're standing in the shade. If you go walking out in dark clothing on your lunch break, stand in the sun for a while, it feels much hotter than this coming down on you. So it is, a day when you want to find some shade or a cool spot. Nothing on the satellite radar across the valley. No rain out there now, just some puffy clouds around. Farther to the north, there have been a few showers and storms across areas of central and northern Texas, but most of them are fading out as well. And it looks like practically no rain for us. There may be some storms out here, some bigger storms forming later today in West Texas that could be severe, but none of that coming our direction. In fact, if you look at the severe weather outlook through today and tonight, there are some risk of severe storms, mainly in West Texas from near the Big Bend area and near Del Rio northward across West Texas, around San Angelo and toward Lubbock and Amarillo and on northward into Oklahoma and Kansas. So farther to the north, the storms are more active, and most of that storminess will stay far away from us. Future track shows not a whole lot to get excited about today. Partly sunny skies, maybe a little blip there on the future track of a brief sprinkle or shower could form with the sea breeze this afternoon, but it's going to be very isolated. If there is one, it should be very small and very brief, and I don't think many areas or any areas may see any rain. By tonight, mostly clear in the evening, but clouds may thicken a little bit later at night, but it looks like dry weather tonight. And then tomorrow, we're back down to 0% chance for rain, but a 100% chance of being hot. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures up around 100. And then on Thursday, not much changes either. We'll still have dry weather, still have some sunshine, still going to be hot with mostly sunny skies and no rain in sight through the start of the weekend coming up. So our rain chances, 10% at very best today. This might be a hopeful 10%. Less than that, near zero for Wednesday, Thursday, and even Friday. Around the country, I just want to show you quickly, there are some warm temperatures starting to come back in some places which were cool a few days ago. It was kind of cool in the northeast, but already 80 degrees in Washington, D.C. So getting a little bit warmer. Some of the cool air is still in the upper Midwest and the northern plains, but this time of year, it doesn't really get a push much farther south, so we have no chance to see the cooler weather coming in any full force anytime soon. Today, 98 degrees for an average high, but that will range from upper 80s to near 90 at the coast to about 100 in Starr County. Only a 10% chance for maybe a brief sprinkle or shower and a light breeze from the southeast. By tonight, partly cloudy down to 79 degrees and a warm and muggy night. Then in your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, highs will stay right up there. Oh, you know what? I think the wrong 7-day came up again. Did that happen? I did that because I recorded some stuff while I was here over the weekend, and I switched them out. There we go. Here's your first 1-5 7-day forecast. Highs, this one you should like it more because it has less 100s in it. So 98 today, 101 tomorrow, 100 on Thursday. Mostly sunny and a little breezy later in the week. I think the winds will gradually increase late in the weekend. It could be somewhat windy by the weekend on Friday and Saturday, but upper 90s near 100, lows only near 80. If there are any showers, there may be a couple later next week, but this little word here, summer, that begins Friday morning, but see, it just stays just as hot the entire week. So we'll be tracking some hot days ahead in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.